Imagine this: you take a photo on your phone, and instantly it shows up on your laptop. Or you upload a file to Google Drive, and your friend on the other side of the world can open it within seconds. But here's the real question. Where exactly is that file stored? Is it floating in the air? Is it inside your phone? Or is there a secret computer somewhere keeping it safe? Welcome to the world of cloud computing, a technology that powers everything from Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox, to Netflix, YouTube, and even your online banking. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the cloud, but in a way that's simple, engaging, and crystal clear, even if you've never thought about it before. We'll break this down into 4 powerful chapters. 1. What is cloud computing? The big mystery solved. 2. How services like Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox actually work. 3. Why cloud is changing our daily lives and even running the world in 2025. 4. For the hidden dangers and how to stay safe while using the cloud. So grab your curiosity, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand cloud computing, but you'll see the invisible system that connects our entire digital life together. When people hear the word cloud, they often imagine their data floating in the sky, like some kind of digital heaven. But in reality, the cloud isn't in the sky at all. The cloud is actually made up of massive data centers, giant warehouses filled with powerful computers, hard drives, and servers. Think of it like this. Instead of storing all your files on your personal laptop or phone, you're renting space on these supercomputers over the internet. That space is the cloud. In the past, everything was saved on floppy disks, CDs, or USBs. Then we moved to personal hard drives on our PCs. But now, with the internet, we don't have to carry storage devices anymore. We just upload files to the cloud, and we can access them from anywhere. For example, when you save a photo in iCloud, that photo isn't on your iPhone anymore. It's sitting safely in Apple's massive data centers, and your phone is just showing you a copy of it. So the mystery solved. The cloud isn't magic, it's just someone else's computer, available to you on demand. Whenever you upload a file to Google Drive, here's what really happens. The file travels from your device, through the internet, into Google's servers. These servers make multiple backup copies of your file in different locations, so if one server crashes, your file is still safe. When you open Google Drive from another device, you're not downloading from your phone, but directly from those servers. iCloud works in a similar way, but with a twist. It's deeply connected to your Apple ecosystem. That's why if you take a picture on your iPhone, within seconds it magically appears on your iPad or MacBook. Dropbox, on the other hand, became famous because it was one of the first services that made file syncing easy. You drop a file into your Dropbox folder on one device, and it instantly appears on all your other devices. All of this feels instant because of something called synchronization technology, which is always running quietly in the background. So next time you save something to Google Drive or iCloud, remember, your file has traveled across the internet into a data center, and that invisible journey is what makes cloud computing so powerful. Here's something that will blow your mind. Cloud computing isn't just about storing photos and files. Today, the entire world runs on the cloud. Netflix and YouTube, powered by cloud servers that stream videos to millions every second. Your online games like Fortnite or Roblox, the cloud keeps players connected in real time. Your bank transactions, stored, processed, and protected on cloud servers. Even AI tools like ChatGPT that you're watching right now, yes, they live in the cloud too. In 2025, cloud computing isn't just storage, it's the backbone of global technology. Businesses rely on services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform to run websites, apps, and AI. And here's a crazy fact. Over 60% of all global data is stored in the cloud today. So when we say the cloud runs the world, it's not an exaggeration, it's the invisible power grid of the digital era. Since your data lives on someone else's computer, hackers, leaks, or weak passwords can put you at risk. Think about the iCloud celebrity photo leaks or major Dropbox breaches in the past. But don't panic, there are simple ways to stay safe. Strong passwords, never use 123456 or your birthday. Two-factor authentication, even if your password leaks, hackers can't get in without your phone code. Encrypt sensitive files for extra protection, especially financial or private documents. Always check you're using the official apps and not fake lookalikes. Remember, the cloud is powerful, but security starts with you. Treat your cloud account like a digital bank vault, because in many ways, that's exactly what it is. Now that we know what the cloud is, how it works, and even its risks, let's peek into the future. Where is cloud computing headed next? In the coming years, cloud computing will merge with artificial intelligence, making our apps smarter and more personalized. Edge computing will also rise. Instead of sending every bit of data to faraway servers, processing will happen closer to you, on devices like smart cars, drones, and even home appliances. 5G and beyond will make cloud access almost instant. Imagine streaming entire games without downloading, or running heavy software on your phone as if it's a supercomputer. Businesses will depend even more on hybrid clouds, combining private servers with public cloud platforms for flexibility and security. And here's the big one. Experts predict that by 2030, almost everything digital, from healthcare to self-driving cars to space exploration, will rely on cloud computing. So the cloud isn't just today's tech, it's the foundation of tomorrow's digital future. Okay, let's do a little time travel experiment. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and the cloud doesn't exist anymore. You grab your phone to check WhatsApp or Gmail, but oops, no messages load. Why? Because all your emails and chats live in the cloud. Without it, they're gone. You want to post a picture on Instagram? Forget it. Social media runs on the cloud. No Facebook, no TikTok, no YouTube uploads. In fact, this very video you're watching right now wouldn't exist. Let's say you're a student. Your teacher sends you notes on Google Classroom. But without the cloud, online classes collapse. You'd be back to photocopies, CDs, and piles of notebooks. Now imagine your work life. During the pandemic, millions of people survived because of Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Without the cloud, working from home would be impossible. Offices would shut down, businesses would freeze. Entertainment. Say goodbye to Netflix binges, YouTube tutorials, or Spotify playlists. You'd have to buy DVDs, Blu-rays, or even cassette tapes again. Sounds ancient, right? And let's not forget banking. Today, you transfer money in seconds. Without cloud systems, you'd wait in long lines at banks, filling paper forms just to send a payment. Gaming too would change forever. Fortnite, Roblox, PUBG, they wouldn't even work without the cloud keeping millions of players connected in real time. Gamers would go back to single-player discs only. Even medicine and healthcare would take a huge step back. Hospitals store patient data in the cloud for quick access. Without it, doctors would flip through dusty files instead of getting instant updates. And here's the scary part. Global industries, airlines, governments, they all rely on cloud infrastructure. If the cloud vanished, the entire digital economy could collapse overnight. So without the cloud, our daily lives wouldn't just be inconvenient, they'd be set back by decades. Everything we take for granted, instant communication, entertainment, banking, even education, would simply disappear. This is why cloud computing isn't just a luxury. It's the hidden engine that keeps our world running. Remove it, and life as we know it slows down, breaks down, and turns upside down. So now you know, the cloud isn't magic, it's massive computers storing and syncing your data. Services like Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox have changed the way we live, making our files, photos, and even our memories accessible anywhere, anytime. But with great convenience comes responsibility. The cloud runs our world, from entertainment to banking to AI, and that makes it one of the most important technologies of our time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cloud computing, don't stop here. Watch the other episodes in my computer literacy series to level up your digital knowledge. And hey, if this video helped you understand something new, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tech explained simply. Because the more you know about computers, the more unstoppable you become in the AI era. This is Bit to Byte. Let's make it right.